Now that this has been rebuilt, now I can start on the Italian Riviera Lego Ideas number 67. This is part of the Ideas series, which is 18 plus, coming in at 3,251 pieces, and it's set number 21359. This has just been released. As soon as I seen this, I knew I had to get it because I kind of like how it's got the dock, the water. It's like a corner set, so it's going to go good in the city, right on the waterfront. I like the roof design. It looks like it's going to be fun to build. It looks like it's a pretty decent set. It does come with, looks like we have 10 minifigs in total, just standard cities minifigs. And it looks like we're getting a scooter, probably a Vespa. And it looks like we got a fishmonger. Oh, we got a rolling pin. That might be my first Lego rolling pin. Now let's check out the back of the box. Another cool breakdown. Of course, it's modular. It has to be. And this set comes in at 13 inches or 34 centimeters wide and stands about 9 inches or 23 centimeters tall. And we got a few internal shots of it, which looks like we got yellow crab, we got fish. Looks like we got some kind of ice cream shop going. Is that a cappuccino machine? Probably. Let's get her built. So this comes with 25 bags. As I got bag 25, 1 and 2 here, and everything else right there. 2 instruction books, 2 loose pieces, and 1 sticker element sheet. Now for this particular set here, I'm not going to put it. I'm going to put it on a Mills plate, but I'm not going to build it on a Mills plate. I think because of the angles I'm working with, I'm going to build it first and then place it on a Mills plate. We'll see how that works out. So let's get her started. The Italian Riviera is complete. This was a really fun set to build. I enjoyed this one. I really do like this set. One, for the fact it's on waterfront. And the buildings, they're not on they're kind of like angled in towards each other. We got a little alleyway going up. So I really like that. It's a good build to build. Some of the features that I like is the fencing here, using spoons and candlesticks for the railing there. And we have some nice shutters on the bottom here, revealing the scuba shop inside. So you open them up and you can see right into the scuba shop. A little bit more stickers than what I like, but, you know, not so bad. I like the roof. I've always liked this style of roof. Now the boat, it's a standard Lego boat, just a different color. So Jericho will end up getting this one. And I believe this is my first Lego fishing pole. So this was actually pretty cool. And we also have my first Lego harpoon gun. That was used in a railing just in the back there, which we'll get to in a second. But that was actually pretty cool. This was an extra piece. They gave me 2. So that was good. But overall, I'm liking the colors. One thing I do like, and I think was a missed opportunity from Lego, is the windows. Now, they used, in this case, green, and that, I think it's azure or like a light blue. I don't know what the proper color is. And a dark green nougats for the shutters, or the appearance of shutters. Now, when I was building them, I was thinking this would have been a great opportunity for Lego to bring back some of the old school shutters that they used to have on the older sets. But they went with the nougats instead. It still looks pretty cool. I do like it. And I do like the waterfront, the little detailing, waves coming in, splashing. I like the fishing boat. And we got a couple here. Looks like she's ready to have some fish, and he's taking a picture of the fisherman coming back from a good day at sea. And of course, we got a Vespa. And it looks like we got another lady coming in wanting some fish. And it looks like we have a grandparent and grandchild enjoying some ice cream. And we got a lady just coming down the path, making notes as she goes. Looks like she's going into the ice cream parlor there. And we got one of the residents on her balcony enjoying a nice light snack. And we got this dude with his rolling pin just chilling. I like the detailing of the flowers. The orange flower there, I'm loving that style of flower. That currently I think is my favorite Lego style of flower. The signage is pretty good, and I do like the fact they put the numbers on there. As we see number 31 there, 26 here, and way back in the corner we have number 33. And coming around to this side, some nice brickwork with slopes and cheese wedges, and we have a crab just making his way across. Now when you come around to the back, we see a window into one of the shops there. And again, we got clothes hanging out to dry. Some more slope and cheese wedge work. And look at that. We have a crab enjoying some ice cream. Looks like he pinched that cone for himself. And here's the other harpoon gun used as a railing. I thought that was a really neat idea. A cool little bridge. And a nice little walkway there. And coming around to the side again. Some nice flowering details. And we got a white hot dog making an appearance. And look at that. We got a cat ready to enjoy some fish. Cool little satellite dish. Now this is modular, so let's take this thing apart and show you inside. Now for these roofs, I like to build, these are just kind of sitting on there. Just tiled all the way around, and they use plates underneath to kind of fit in. This particular style I like the best for when I do my own roofs, or when I do modular in general. So they all fit nice and neat. This one a little bit different. It does come straight up, and they have the Technic pieces going into the pin holders there, which gives us the top floors of all the buildings. And again, staircase going all the way down. Nice little pink sheet bed. This one here, I'm liking the cupboard. You got the refrigerator, oven, wine glasses, little sink, some more snackage, and we got a bed with a purse at the end there. And this one leads right into a little TV sitting area and stairs going down, which leads out to the balcony where she is. And yes, this does modular further, as this does come right off, along with this one and that one. Now moving down, we go down to the scuba shop. We got the air tank, we got the life vest, some maps and snackage, and some other stuff hanging there. We also got the yogurt shop, the ice cream shop, cones ready to go. Your selections in under glass there. Perfect, perfect. This one here, we take down the stairs, we go to a little kitchen area. Looks like you got some food prepared. Got a pot on the stove, got the fork at the ready. And now this one is even more modular as this section comes out, bringing us to the fish market. We have some fish, and there's the missing fish the cat took. We have a yellow crab, $1.34. That's pretty cheap. We got the net, we got a sink, got some knives ready to cut, and all set to go. And I think I found out how the cat got in there. Oh, pretty cool. Liking the set. As you can see, this fits on more than one base plate. So there's going to be 2 base plates wide. I'm not sure exactly how I'm going to get that on. I'm probably going to take some of that water off. I'm not 100% yet. But it will fit. So like, subscribe, drop a comment, and we'll see you soon.